Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video where we'll show you how to connect your Emlid RS2 or RS3 to any DJI drone. What we have here today is a Mavic 3 Enterprise drone, but the setup that we'll show you is not limited to only this specific drone. It can work on any of the DJI drones, from the Mavic 3 Enterprise, the thermal drones, the Matrice M300s, M350, as well as even your Agras T40 drones. The only difference is with the Agras T40 drone, you need to put a SIM card in your RS2 and enable the internet to just flow and connect to the controller. So that will be the only difference between what we'll show you today versus the Agras T40. Let's start the process by turning on the controller as well as the receiver and the drone. To make this video even more informative, we'll do a screen recording on the controller to show you exactly how we input the settings. Great, the screen is recording. Our RS2 Plus is on, as well as our drone. Let's go and take our phone and go into the Emlid Flow app. The first thing that you'll do is look at the receiver. As you can see, it's RS2 Plus Base. The password is Emlid Reach. It always has been and always will be, all in small letters. Click on join. Okay, and once the Emlid Flow app has loaded, we'll just go to our base output. We'll make sure that we have selected our local interrup. And remember this information, so you can either take a screenshot of this information just to make sure that you type in the correct information on the smart controller. So I'll enter the smart controller. Click on the menu, go to the RTK function,
RTK positioning error,
and then
positioning accuracy affected. Fly with caution.
so what we'll do here is we'll just click on edit. As you can see, there was a previous configuration on the controller, and we'll just call this configuration local interrup. And then our IP address 192.168.42.1. Right, the port is also 2101, and then the username and password is Reach, and the password is Emlid Reach, all small letters. Then our mount point is Reach, all in capital letters. Okay, once I've typed in the credentials, I'll go and link my smart controller to the RS2. So the password is still Emlid Reach. As you can see, it's obtaining the address. It says connected. So if I now go back into the app, I click on save, it will say RTK connected and that my RTK data is not yet in use, and there you can see it's pulled through.
Check map to confirm.
Great, and there you can actually see the positioning accuracy is already on a fix. And when we scroll down, we can see that what the standard deviation is in meters. So let's say 0.009 meters is obviously about 9 mils. 8 mils, and then about 2.5 centimeters in your Z-axis. As you can see, we have a fixed position. The only thing that's left for us is to load our mission and execute the flight.